How to apply Amazon warehouse jobs in Australia. So, step 1, go to www.amazon.jobs and filter your search or location by Australia. And you can now choose your city. Or you can go or scroll down and click locations. And then you can go to Oceania and select the Australian here and click. Step 2, select a warehouse role. Look for positions labeled like fulfillment associate, picker or packer, or warehouse operative. You can now read the job description carefully to check if you meet the physical requirements such as lifting limits and shift availability. And then step 3, click apply now when you found the one that fits you, and then fill in your details, upload your resume if required, and answer the pre-screening questions honestly. Then step 4, some roles require quick online assessments to check the problem solving, basic math skills, and others. So you can complete this within the deadline to proceed. And then after that, step 5, if you are selected, you will be invited to book an appointment for ID verification and background check. Bring the required documents like passport or proof of work eligibility in Australia. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.